guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ty and I'm here with another video. So in this video you're gonna watch a beginner put on individual lashes. We're currently quarantining and we can't go to our lash techs and whatnot, so I am going to try and put on some individual lashes with you guys, and if this works I'll upload the video. So if you're watching the video, it's because it worked. So I went to my local CVS and I got some Ardell individual lashes, and then I got the applicator, I guess. Yeah, the dual lash applicator. So it's like some tweezers. I got this. Now the glue that I'm gonna be using, this is by Kiss, right? So this is what it looks like. That way if you guys ever get a chance to go to your beauty supply store in the future, this is the one that I'm using. Now this particular set that I got, these are the Soft Touch Ardell wispies. Let me try to get a close-up. There is short, medium, and long. So I'm just gonna be figuring this out as I go. So I'm also gonna have some tweezers as well. I'm not going to apply them with this applicator. I'm just gonna use this to smush them together with my natural eyelash. Now I do not actually have any mascara or anything on because I don't want to, I just don't want to have any on. I want to see if I can get like a nice natural look from it. Let me try to clip this up really quick. Okay, now I am going to put on some mascara on my bottom lashes. So I will not be applying any of those individual lashes to my bottom lash, just my top. Finally, I found my mascara that I've been looking for. So I am going to be using this Marc Jacobs mascara. I don't really want to start out with longer lashes out that way. My lids will look very dramatic. So I would rather do like short, then medium, and then like some long, and then medium, and then short. So we'll start with this much first. So I'm just going to take one of the lashes here from the short. I'm going to start on the very outer corner. We dipped it in the glue on the top part because we're going to put it underneath our lash line, not on top like you would a strip lash. We're not going to do our waterline, but we're just going to do it right underneath our lashes. It's on! Oh my god! I'm going to take another short and we're going to space them out because I saw another YouTuber said that if you directly line them next to each other, if you make a mistake and you need to pull one off, it'll just take all of them off. So you want to line them out first in case you need to go back and pull that particular one off and it doesn't mess up the other ones. I'm probably going to line my entire lash line with short and then go in and fill in with some mediums and possibly a long. So I'm just going to take it, dip it on the top side. Alright, I'm just going to leave it there because when I tried to press it, it came off. So I had to put a little bit more glue. Alright, so I would recommend trying not to blink because my very first lash that I put on has transferred over to my bottom lash, so I gotta start over with that one. But try your best not to like blink all the way down. I totally forgot about that, and another YouTuber did mention to not blink as much as you possibly can. So I'm just gonna put this one back right there. So this is what they look like. We're talking about this side. Trying to get y'all some light. And then you can see I have none over here. So, and these are just the shorts. I'm gonna do just this side so that way I can be able to compare this side. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the mediums here and we're gonna fill them in between. So you can see that I filled in all the spaces. I'm just gonna go in and squeeze them. All right, and now you can see what the side with the lashes look like now. I'm thinking just to see what it looked like, I am gonna go ahead and put in just a few of the long individual lashes. So I'm gonna just do 3 and fill them in here, and then I will start on the other eye. And I'll probably start in the center of my eye just to frame my lash so I can see what I'm working with. I'm just gonna do my best. Probably just fill in a 4th one because I have a space. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right up front. This is what it looks like. I filled in all of them. This is probably not the most professional job because, well, I'm a beginner. Just so you guys can see better. And now let's look at this now, because now I have the small, the mediums, and the large. You can see how it's like a baby doll look. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just repeat the same steps on this side. Then we're gonna put on some mascara on the bottom lashes. So I'm pretty much done, and this side was much easier to actually do because I just applied what I had to figure out for this side. Definitely very easy. I am a beginner. I'm not somebody who does this. The best way that I figured out how to grab the lash and to put it in the glue is you put it on top, and then you take the lash itself and you just directly apply it like that, and it makes it much easier. So like if I was to apply this one, because you can see what you're doing and also you have control over the lash. I'm just gonna go in to like just clamp them together. and because I have hooded lids, I don't really like for my lash to curl like up this way. It just makes my eye way too dramatic, but I do like the baby doll look from the side. So you can see both sides. So I just wanted to come on here and at least show you guys this process of me learning how to do them. I did not want to make it seem like I'm some sort of expert, because I'm not. So I'm just trying to figure out, you know, other ways to encourage other people to doll themselves up by finding affordable alternative solutions while we're home being quarantined. Depending on what state you live in, certain states are extending the stay-at-home rule, so a lot of us are not feeling like our glamorous selves. I mean, I'm sure we're enjoying being our natural selves. I love being natural, but sometimes you have some days where you just want to just put your makeup together while you're home and quarantining so you can look good for that movie night. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.